All right. We're in Pontiac, Illinois. Skate park. This is one of those places. Illinois. There's a lot of towns that have significant Abraham Lincoln history. So this is one of those towns. And they also have a lot of Route 66 things going on. So this, let's see what they have in this. This park looks pretty good. Like, look at this, nice. The lawn has been mowed, and besides some of this muddy area, looks like it's pretty avoidable. Looks like this is Fell Park. I'm not 100% sure about that, but this is Washington, and across the street from Joe's. How about that? Joe's Station. Joe's Station House. So right there. I guess this is Fell Park. I don't know what else to call it. Got a playground over here. There's some outhouses actually. No, it's not outhouses. It's an actual structure that has the restrooms over there. It's nice. Look at all this nice lawn. So this is like skill space, like all like just tons of skill space. I wasn't expecting to have a live Michael Jackson impersonator, I guess, or something. I'm not. I don't really know what's going on. But this guy just got a tip. This is pretty okay, interesting. Some so all hey, skill space, you know. I mean, in some ways, he's doing the skill space, right? And he's making a dollar just now. Yeah, I mean, this is all lots. The only thing is, this ground is a little choppy and like muddy. Like, there's not muddy, but there's, I don't know how to describe it. There's some lawns, some grass areas where it's like the you could see the dirt, and the dirt is like more prevalent than others, and it's like not. It may not even be kind of patted down as much. I think this is that kind of. This is that kind of thing, a little bit. But like, there's lots of. You can find spots out here, I'm sure. And another thing is that I haven't really mentioned, but as you develop your skill space, or as your skill space develops, and you know, the more you use a certain spot, you are going to have an impact in like being pressing down on the earth. So if like you are always in one area, like see this is what I'm kind of talking about. There's certain areas like this, so you just kind of have to be like aware of that stuff. And you know, but as you find like a spot, like you might be like, hey, this is our spot, or this is our spot, or something like that. Then but that ground is going to be patted down a little bit more. There's a place in Chicago, and that area has been patted down pretty well. This I don't know what's going on here. This is like a class of 1920. I don't know what this is. It's some sort of like kiosk or a small area. I don't know. Here's the skate park, and looks like we got some metal obstacles, some modular ones, and I'll see what I can do as far as trying to not interrupt the singer impersonator, and you'll see it.
Yeah, man, we're gonna be performing here soon, dude.
over there. I got a job on me. That's what I do. I do music. I love Michael Jackson. I don't care what anyone do. They can criticize all they want. It doesn't matter. You know what? So this is do you don't see this like often where the whole like the park itself. Actually, I shouldn't say that. We have seen it. It's kind of rare, but the park itself is completely gated off, and in some ways, this is representative of what our impact or like our relationship with the park should be, because we're not going to be doing skill space in the park. But when I get out here, I usually do a little bit of exploration for the skateboarders, just so that they can get that side of it. So yeah, you got a quarter ramp kind of thing going into a box with a ramp, rail, 2 rails. This one's kind of interesting here. Yeah, that's pretty unusual. Kink rail over here. And I kind of like how they put that rail like right in line with the next rail over there. It's like a pretty ordinary rail, but having 2 in a row really gives you don't see this often, but it gives you like a natural challenge to want to do like both, so that's like that would be something where it's like this is like a good line, like so they do have your street course here set up. They got the staircase, and you got 2 quarters. One's at an angle, which is actually kind of neat too. I'm